Hello, and welcome back to another live session of Transformational Talk. It's been a while, and to be quite honest, I've missed you. For those of you joining for the very first time, Transformational Talk is just me sharing my tips and tricks with you every single week on the things that I've learned. Anything that I've done and I felt that it's going to help you or someone else, I'm going to bring it every single week here at Transformational Talk. For those of you that are repeating, thank you so much for watching every single week. And as usual, thank you for giving me so much of your screen time. Don't forget to like and subscribe. This week, we're talking about how to get out of the rut. How to get out of that sunken place, that place where you feel down, you don't want to live. You wake up in the morning and you're like, oh my gosh, not again. How in the world did I find myself in this position? I have two things for you. Two simple, easy steps. Because like you, I've been there before where I didn't want to wake up in the morning. And when I got up in the morning, I was so ungrateful. I started complaining about all the things that I didn't accomplish the day before, all the things that I didn't have, all the reasons why life sucked. I just complained and complained and complained until I realized that I could change this real simple, real easy with two easy steps. The first thing that I'm going to tell you is to do what you love. Do more of what you love and less of what you hate. It's that simple. Do more of what you love and less of what you hate. Do those things that you love. Sing, dance, travel. And if you don't have money to do all the things that you want to do, don't feel pressured. Don't feel pressured at all. Just go with the flow. Go with the flow. That brings me to my second tip. Follow the path of least resistance. Again, follow the path of least resistance. What that means in a nutshell is just go with the flow. If you are doing something and you feel not good doing it, you don't feel like doing it, it kind of pisses you off, don't do it. If you're thinking about something and it's not settling in your spirit, don't do it. It's just going to rob you of happiness. Follow the path of least resistance. That means if you are trying to make a decision and it's weighing hard on you which decision to make, just stop. Take a break. Relax. Breathe. Take a minute to enjoy life. And I know you're going to tell me there's nothing to enjoy. My bills are rimming over. Everything's late. I don't have a wife. I don't have a husband. I'm going through a divorce. My children are acting up. My career is terrible. We always have something to be grateful for. Just relax. Sometimes that's all it takes. Take yourself out. If you can't buy yourself dinner, buy ice cream. Just challenge yourself to do more of what you love. I know the pressure is on right now with New Year's resolutions and New Year, new me, and new goals and new mindsets. And a lot of us are still in the heat of the moment. We're still preparing for all that 2018 has to offer. And we don't have a lot of people on our side cheering us on. We don't have a lot of people saying you can do it. There are the people at the gym that saying we can't wait for these new year, new me people to leave the gym. You know, you have that partner, that boyfriend, that girlfriend that may be telling you, you're never going to lose that weight. You're never going to save that amount of money. I'm telling you today to find the things that you love and do them. Do them. We only have one life to live. We hear that over and over and repeatedly, but I think we take that cliche for granted. Do the things you love and watch yourself be moved from a stressful situation. And follow the path of least resistance. If you're in an argument with someone, stop. If you're in a heated conversation with someone, stop. It takes two to tango. Just stop. Follow the path of least resistance. If you're in a job that you hate and you feel like you're not being appreciated, leave. The same with a relationship. Follow the path of least resistance. And those are my two greatest tips for you to start off 2018. Do what you love and follow the path of least resistance. Thank you so much for giving me so much of your screen time. Thank you. Have a wonderful day. Like and subscribe.